Hey, this is Sarah at Awaken Acres. This is just a early spring update. It's like 20 degrees right now, so very cold. Things are going really slow because of a very cold spring. We had a lot of storm damage, and I am digging up a little honeyberry to save it from the tree workers. We had two big trees come down. There's one by the duck coop. Very sad, damaged some of the fencing. So we're having workers come to chop up these trees for us. Lots of storm damage. There's another tree that was damaged pretty badly. Good 1/3 of the tree came off in the storm. So we'll have this tree cut down actually because it's dying anyways. I taped off some trees so hopefully they won't get smashed in the process. Goodbye, pine tree. Actually, it's a spruce tree. And this big, beautiful spruce tree came down, was uprooted. It was a very strong storm. Very sad. Totally uprooted. What a nice big tree that was. I have a little red bud here I taped off. Hopefully the workers here don't destroy anything. I have some plants here. Some certainly were uprooted with the tree, so that's a loss. I had a pawpaw here. It looks like it's probably gone too, but maybe I'll find it somewhere. Anyhow, thanks for watching.